The MLS HPI tool shows how home price trends have evolved over time for certain property types in a specific neighborhood. This enables you to track price changes in your local market. The MLS HPI tool also features a price estimate option. Simply input your local neighborhood, benchmark property category, date of previous sale, and selling price, and the MLS HPI tool does the calculation for you. If the listing has undergone significant renovations since the previous sale, this may add more value to the home over and above the change, resulting from the general price trend. Using this estimate, along with the current price trends, you can validate your comparative market analysis with confidence. It's essential to have access to the most up-to-date information when recommending a listing price to your client. Because the MLS HPI is the timeliest indicator of home price trends, it can identify changes earlier than other price measures. Price trends may have changed from when the home was originally listed. Depending on the current trend, your client could either list their home at a higher price point or adjust the list price to align with a market where sale prices have been trending lower. No matter the trend, validate your listing price recommendation with confidence using the MLS HPI. Get the most accurate home price trends to match your listing by selecting the correct benchmark property type. Use the Concordance tab to input the type and style information of your listing to find out which benchmark category your listing falls into. A benchmark home represents a typical home for a particular property type in a specific neighborhood. It considers various factors, such as the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and age of the home, as well as the availability of features such as a fireplace or finished basement to construct a typical middle-of-the-road home. A full listing of all benchmark home descriptions is accessible via the Benchmark Descriptions link found at the bottom right of each tab on the MLS HPI tool. You can also browse and compare benchmark home features between neighborhoods and property types using the benchmark comparison. If the features of the home for your listing do not closely match those of the benchmark home for your property type and neighborhood, simply apply the percentage change in the MLS HPI between the period in which the listing last sold and the most recent available date. The MLS HPI tool makes this easy by doing the math for you. Just use the price estimate. The MLS HPI tool makes it easy to compare home price trends between neighborhoods and property types. You can compare the evolution of home price trends over time, compare percentage, or look at the raw data for the most recent month. For more information, visit CREA.ca/HPI.